Solve this system of equations by elimination. So if you watched the video just a few minutes ago, I did solve an equation by elimination, but we can do this again. So I can already tell that I'm going to want to eliminate my y first because we have opposite signs. And that's a good start. So we're going to multiply this second equation by 3. And that's going to allow our y's to cancel. Whenever we're choosing what number to multiply by, we have to think about what would add together so that one of the variables will cancel. So when we do that, we are going to get the result. Let's rewrite this top equation. We're going to get 6x minus 3y equals 9. When we add these straight down, 4 plus 6 is 10x. Our y's will cancel, and that's going to equal 10. When we divide both sides, we're going to get x equals 1. Now to solve for y, we would just go back and plug in 1 into either equation. It doesn't matter which one, and we'll just solve it. So our solution is going to be y equals -1. You also can write it like this too.